very warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan on Tuesday moved a resolution in the State Assembly demanding the scrapping of the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act. While presenting the resolution, Vijayan said the CAA was against the secular outlook and the fabric of the country and would lead to religion-based discrimination in granting citizenship. The centre should take steps to drop the CAA and uphold the secular outlook of the constitution. Hours after, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra commented on the saffron clothes of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he hit back, asserting that he wore the saffron robe for public service after sacrificing everything. He went on to say that whosoever creates hindrances in the path of a seer would face punishment. At a press conference on Monday, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had taken on Yogi Adityanath over the police crackdown on protesters, the arrest and the detentions, and a threat of seizure and auction of their property from the Chief Minister. The Delhi police has written to the High Court requesting it to appoint a claims commissioner to draw an estimate of the damage to the properties during the anti-CAA protest and investigate the liability. In a letter to the Registrar General of the Delhi High Court, the police said during the anti-CAA and NRC protests, there has been massive and extensive damage of public and private property, including public transportation, causing huge losses to the government exchequer. The Delhi police has registered 10 criminal cases against those involved in rioting and arson. The outgoing Army Chief Bipin Rawat, who is set to take over as India's first Chief of Defence Staff, said that he would plan his strategy for the new role after assuming the position. In his new role as India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat would be expected to integrate the operations of the armed forces and trim the weapons procurement procedures. The BJP has launched a blistering attack on ally Janata Dal United's Deputy Chief and Election Strategist Prashant Kishore over his suggestion that his party must get a lion's share in seat distribution for the next year's Bihar Assembly elections, saying that those who entered the politics by running a company that collects poll data and frames slogans are hurting the National Democratic Alliance with their adverse remarks. The Indian Navy has barred its personnel from using smartphones and social media at its installations after it busted an espionage racket this month involving sailors. This move comes after the Navy busted a racket where 7 of its personnel were found leaking sensitive information through social media platforms including Facebook on December 20th. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.